Mashal Marwa, Fatima Roll. Number 25. Semester number 1, Department Zoology, Batch 08. Subject Arts and Humanities. Topic of presentation Universalization of Primary Education. Submitted to Mam Lubna Mahbub. Submitted by Mashal Marwa Fatima. Submission date 22nd December 2024. Universalization of Primary Education. What is universalization of primary education? Definition. The universalization of primary education refers to the global efforts to ensure that all children, regardless of their background, location, or socioeconomic status, have access to quality primary education. What is primary education? Definition. Primary education typically refers to the first stage of formal education, which usually lasts for 5 to 6 years, and it is intended for children aged 5 to 11. It is designed to provide students with a foundation in basic subjects like reading, writing, mathematics, science, and social studies. Why is universalization of primary education is important? Importance. Universalizing primary education is crucial for several reasons. Human rights. Education is a fundamental human right, and every child deserves access to quality education. Breaking the cycle of poverty. Education is a key factor in breaking the cycle of poverty and improving socioeconomic status. Economic growth. An educated workforce is essential for economic growth and development. Social mobility. Education provides opportunities for social mobility and helps reduce inequality. Improved health and well-being. Education is linked to improved health and well-being, as educated individuals are more likely to make informed decisions about their health. Challenges to universalization of primary education. Despite the importance of universalizing primary education, there are several challenges that need to be addressed. 1. Access. Many children, particularly in rural or disadvantaged areas, lack access to primary education. 2. Quality. The quality of primary education can be poor with inadequate infrastructure. 3. Disparities. There are significant disparities in education access to quality with marginalized groups such as girls, children with disabilities, and those from minority backgrounds facing greater challenges. Leverage technology. Technology can be used to enhance education access and quality, particularly in areas where traditional infrastructure is lacking. Overall, Unprimed requires a sustained effort from government organizations and individuals to address the challenges and ensure that all children have access to quality primary education. Recommended readings: 1. UNESCO's Institute for Statistics. UIS reports on education access and quality. 2. World Bank's Education. Global practice publications on education and development. UNICEF's reports on education in emergencies in and conflict-affected areas. Conclusion: universalization of primary education, a multifaceted approach that addresses challenges, leverages technology, and engages community. As future development professionals, it's essential to prioritize education, that all children have access to quality primary education.